Today we are here with the Tesla Model 3 Standard Plus. Standard Plus is the most affordable Tesla with an MSRP of about $44,000, having it stand just below the Model Y in Tesla's lineup. The Tesla Model 3 was released in July of 2017 and has picked up a few competitors since then, the Ford Mustang Mach-E as well as the Porsche Taycan. When buying a Model 3, you can get three different drivetrains: Standard/Standard Plus, Long Range, and the Performance. The Long Range and Performance Model 3s come with the dual motors providing more horsepower and torque. This Tesla model, being the Standard Plus, has a single rear-wheel drive motor providing 296 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque out of an 82 kilowatt battery that gives you around 267 miles of range. As we walk around the Tesla, you can see that it has two trunks. The front trunk is referred to as the frunk, measuring in at 28 inches long by 15 inches wide and 8 to 10 inches in depth. This size makes it perfect for fitting a backpack or a small suitcase. Moving to the rear of the car, we find the rear trunk. The rear trunk is bigger than the frunk, measuring in at 15 cubic feet. This size makes the trunk perfect for bigger suitcases. You can open the rear trunk by a button located underneath the lip on the tailgate, as well as through the 15-inch display. However, you can only open the frunk through the 15-inch display. I think the black wheels of this Tesla contrast nicely with the white paint. These black wheels are the 18-inch aero wheels that come standard on the Model 3. However, you can pay an extra $1,500 for silver 19-inch sport wheels. Personally, I like the standard Tesla wheels better, as I think they look more sleek than the 19-inch sport wheels. Getting in the Model 3 is an interesting experience, as you unlock and lock the car by placing the credit card-like key on the side of the driver door. This is a very simplistic design, however, it does have its flaws. Multiple times I had my hands full and had to set some things down to unlock the Tesla. However, you can buy a key fob for an additional $150, allowing you to unlock the door by just having the key fob in your pocket. Once unlocked, opening the car is a unique experience. First, you have to push the rear of the door handle to get it to pop out, and then you just pull the front of the handle, opening up the door. As we look in the back seat, the first thing that comes to notice is that there is no middle hump on the floor, providing you with a more practical middle seat. The rear seats are comfortable and provide 35.2 inches of legroom. The back row is suitable for kids and adults due to the generous amount of legroom. Stepping inside the Tesla, the simplistic design really hits you. You are greeted by the big 15-inch display as well as no dash display. Everything is accessible through the 15-inch display, including opening the glove box, opening the frunk, climate control, volume control, and the windshield wipers. You can also find access to the internet, video games, and my personal favorite, a virtual fire. However, you cannot use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in a Tesla. The steering wheel of the Model 3 is also very simplistic, only having two buttons that are customizable to any function you want, such as adjusting the volume or toggling through the 15-inch display. The Tesla Model 3 comes with three cameras, one on each side of the car, as well as a reverse camera. All of the Tesla's cameras are high quality, being some of the best car cameras I've seen. However, there is no forward camera. In place of a forward camera, a forward-facing sensor tells you how close you are to an object in front of you. Now as we start up the Tesla, you first have to place the key just under the lip of the center console. Once in place, you can then use the shift lever to select drive, reverse, or neutral. To put the Tesla in park, you need to push the end of the gear selector. Driving the Tesla Model 3 is a neat experience, as it is very different from a standard gas-powered car. The electric engine provides little to no noise, so cruising around at neighborhood speeds is an eerie sensation. Even though the Model 3 does not have dual motors, it still accelerates very quickly due to the instant torque the electric motor has. Alright, should I give it a little gas or electricity? Ready?
Yep. That's fun.
That is sick. That's really fast. Even at higher speeds, you can still feel the instant torque push you back in your seat. Yeah. Ready?
That's cool.
That was sick.
That is sick.
The Tesla Model 3 Standard Plus goes 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds. which is 2.2 seconds slower than the Model 3 Performance and 1.1 seconds slower than the Model 3 Long Range. However, the Standard Plus provides enough power to have some fun with and toy around in. Due to the battery being located underneath the car, the Tesla feels very planted while driving, and it's very hard to lose traction. All in all, the Tesla Model 3 Standard Plus is a great daily driver and has great value for its $44,000 price tag. The Model 3 is easy to drive, can fit your family, and can even fulfill your need for speed. However, Model 3 might not be perfectly fit for longer road trips due to the fact that it takes 3 to 5 days to charge with the standard wall charger. Now that may seem like a long time, and it is, so Tesla has wall connectors available for purchase, which will charge your Tesla in 3 to 5 hours. On longer road trips, if you have the patience, Tesla superchargers are available, which will charge the Model 3 in 30 minutes. That sure is not too shabby for an electric car, especially compared to some of the Model 3's competition taking around an hour to charge. However, it is up to how valuable 30 minutes is on a road trip. And that wraps up the review on the Tesla Model 3 Standard Plus. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time.